morning, and we are on our way to Kamakura. Where are we going next? Let's go. And I have reported we're still staying in Juku, and it takes about an hour and a half on the express train into Tokyo, and then another hour from there to Kamakura. As you can tell, it's very quiet on the train, so I have to be very quiet in recording, which is why you get my face right up here. But we are currently on the express train, stopping at the Soba station. Then headed out to Kamakura. I will report throughout the day on our experiences, as well as this evening when we hit Ramen Street in Tokyo Station. We've done the last 2 nights at really good ramen, and it's one of the most popular.
Hey look, it's a dinosaur. Referred to as the Dinosaur Bridge, it's easy to see why the Tokyo Gate Bridge has earned this unique name.
Doing her first vending machine. Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay, so big strawberries.
An easy day trip from Tokyo, Kamakura is home to the Kotoku-in Temple and its great Buddha. This incredible structure is worth the visit. You can even go inside the great Buddha. What an incredible experience. We were mesmerized by the Hasedera Temple. Most intriguing were these hundreds of small statues of Jizo Bodhisattva, who helped the souls of small children reach paradise. Hasedera also provides sweeping views of Kamakura. Be sure to allow time to explore Kamachi Street and sample all the tasty treats. Catching Tokyo Station at rush hour is a sight to see as thousands cram into subway in the most polite and efficient manner. The famed Ramen Street is the perfect way to end your day.
All right, So we are wrapping up another day here in Tokyo. We went to Kamakura actually today, had a wonderful day seeing the giant Buddha. Sorry I couldn't record live from there. I have kind of limited data on this trip, so I have to be kind of careful with storage and things like that. So I'm updating as I can. I'm now in Tokyo Station waiting for our train. We have a Watashio Express to Shinjuku that leaves at about 9:01 a.m. And it's funny because I'm recording this just standing and in the middle of the train station. And I have people coming up and looking at me like I'm crazy. But in any case, tomorrow we head off to Hakone, and I will record as much as I can on that experience as we go. Good night for now. Where are we going next? Let's go.